Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how to create two different eye looks with one eyeshadow palette. Yes guys, so the first look is going to be this festive glittery eye look, which you can wear it for weddings, during festivals or party. It's more like a night look. And the other look is a soft matte wash look, which is very matte and nice, which you can wear it for office as well. So if you are a person who doesn't want to spend a lot of money and wants a good versatile palette with high pigment, then please go for this palette guys. It's insanely pigmented. It's only 325 rupees. I got it from hotmakeup.com. I think it's on offer now. I'm not sure. Recently when I checked, it was on offer for around 260 rupees. As you can see, it has two matte and two shimmer. All of them are insanely pigmented. The darkest matte shade is not much visible in my hands because it is almost closer to my skin tone, and I'm very sorry that I have not waxed my hands. So let's jump into the first look guys. The first look, I'm applying the mauve brownish dark matte color on my crease and I'm defining it. I had to build this color a little bit because my skin color was almost closer to this color. I'm applying the same on my lower eyelid as well. Now on the center of my eyelids, I'm applying the peachy matte shade. Just a little bit, and I'm going to blend it all in place using a blending brush. Next, I'm applying a brown color lip liner and I'm going to smudge it upwards to give it a nice dimension. It looked so beautifully. I don't know if my camera caught it properly, but it looked so beautiful. Then for my lower waterline, I'm applying kajal. This is from Faces Canada, the Magnetic Eyes Kajal. I'm smudging it a little bit. Now for my eyeliner, I'm using Nykaa's Luxe eyeliner. I'm only applying a thin coat of eyeliner, not much you guys. I'm not applying any mascara for this look. I'll be using a very non-dramatic eyelash from Glomier Beauty. You can go ahead and apply mascara. For my lip liner, I'm using L.A Girls Deepest Purple lip liner. The shade is Deepest Purple. And for my lipstick, I'll be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Vancouver. Just one coat, not much you guys. Now for highlight, I'm using the bronzy gold color in the palette. This is so pigmented, so little goes a long way. I'm not applying a lot of highlighter because it's going to be a day look. And you know how sun is palilchifying in Chennai. So the first look is over guys. So let's jump into the second look. For second look, I'm defining my crease using the same brown mauve color. And on my lids, I'll be using the bronzy shimmer color. They are so pigmented, as you can see. I'm only dabbing a little bit. I'm going to blend it all in place using a buffy blending brush. So I want to clean my crease a little bit, so I'm going ahead with the mauve color again on my crease area and also on my lower eyelids. Now for eyeliner, I'm using the same eyeliner, nothing dramatic you guys, just a normal liner. Now I'm applying kajal on my lower waterline and I'm going to smudge it on later. So for this look, I've applied another coat of my lipstick and the same highlighter. You can also use the other shade as a highlighter, but I like the bronze one, so I'm going for that. Also, I'll be applying it on my inner corners. So that's it you guys. I hope you like this tutorial.